Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete saved Google password. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Then tap on the one that you wish to delete. I will go with my Facebook one. And enter your current login method. After that, hit Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!